Hey guys, it's GabStarCrest here with another one of my YouTube videos. Today I'm going to be doing my first video on my dog running around like a lunatic, as you can see. So his name is Winston. He's a Labradoodle and he loves footballs. And he just turned 4 a few months ago in February. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Alright guys, so this is another little clip of my dog. It's going to be the second clip and the last clip. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. Bye!